Alright, so we've got a half squared times 3/5 squared, and we've got to simplify this expression or calculate this expression out. So there's some operations going on here. We're calculating, so we think of the order of operations PEMDAS, where we start with parentheses and then we do exponents from left to right, and then we multiply. Now, we do have parentheses, but there's nothing to actually do inside of them because this is just a half and that's just 3/5. There's no calculations to be done inside the parentheses. So that's done basically. But moving on to exponents, we do have exponents, right? And then these things are written beside each other, which implies they're actually being multiplied also. All right, so but we must start with exponents. The squared, like, so we'll do the squared on the half here. So the way I like to deal with exponents is if it's squared, if it's an exponent beside a parenthesis like that, it's just parenthesis times parenthesis. So that's just a half times a half. And if you want, you can multiply that out to get 1/4. But for me, I think it's better to just leave it like that, because what does this one become here? That's 3/5 squared. So again, that's parenthesis times parenthesis. 3/5 times 3/5. And now we can look clearly at these four fractions and just check if anything cross cancels. In other words, is there any number up here at the top that will cross cancel with a number on the bottom? No. 2 doesn't go into 3, 3 doesn't go into 5, so we can't cross cancel. So all that's left to be done now is just multiply the tops and then multiply the bottoms and get your answer. So if you, multiply it 1 times 1 times 3 gives 9. And on the bottom, 2 times 2, 4. And what's 5 times 5? 25. And so now we kind of have on the bottom 4 times 25. What's that? 100, right. So the whole thing becomes 9 hundredths. 9 hundredths. Yep.